So here's a more in-depth video on how to coil a hose. So you saw my short. I'm just going to do a little bit more in depth here. That's more than 1 minute. So if you have your hose coiled out and you don't have one of those crank type reels, what you want to do is go ahead and you're going to do like elbow twist. So as this comes in, and this is just all messed up, this one lays down. You'll feel the tension on this. You want to just do an elbow twist like that, and then it lays perfectly down there. So you're just doing a twist. Another one, and almost like pedals on a bike. Pop it down, and then everything will just lay nicely. Get it nice and tight. Coil it up here. You can put it under just like that. You got a perfectly coiled hose every time, and you don't have, sometimes you'll have a kink like this. Once the water pressure comes through it, it actually expands it, and you'll have a good flow going through every time.